Okay, hello everybody. Today I am simply not going to do so much exciting. I'm just going home from work today as well. You guys liked the previous episode of me driving home from work, and today it's raining as well. I am driving my 320 diesel, but that is equally fun, or actually almost it could be more. No, I don't want to say that. It's equally fun because this has a lot of torque. Let's see if it starts. It does. Very good. But we will start off with just getting that off, and the engine will heat up pretty soon, and I will get some heat for my own, and yeah, let's just start driving. This car will drift very soon, so let's go. Get some lights on. It's so cool to have to drive the turbo car, because it's not like petrol turbo or gasoline turbo, but diesel turbo, it has a lot of torque, and then when you have the open exhaust, it really makes a good sound, so that's pretty cool. I really like that. So let's hope it's not too much rush traffic now home from work. It probably is, but yeah. There we got the torque that I was talking about. In second gear and around 2000 RPMs, it really gets the power. This car has 330 Newton meters, and my 325 Cabrio E46 has like 240 or something. So this actually has a lot more torque. It doesn't have as much horsepower. It has 150 horsepower, but it has a lot more torque. See here, wheel spin in third gear. Then you know it's slippery. Second gear burnout, third gear burnout. Yeah, let's just try and see. Let's just try. Second gear, I'm gonna clutch kick a little bit, and then see if we can just hold this drift. So, it's very grippy here. That's better. It's fighting. Third gear. Second, going the other way. Fuck. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Huh. It's like it's fighting a little bit against me, but it wants to slip. It's so nice that I can actually use third gear, because I was at one point there in third gear, I was really struggling. The car was at really low RPMs, but then, you know, it's a diesel, so it has a lot of power down low, so no problem. It just revved its way up again. Really slowly, but it did. And it managed to have the slide while doing it, so that's really nice. It's so fun. Here it's a lot of obstacles, so I need to not hit those. Okay. I like this. It is actually getting a lot closer now to the drift event, so I'm really looking forward to that. I think it's 2 weeks now, then it's the big drift event for this autumn, so I'm really looking forward to that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And I have actually ordered coilovers, which I'm getting this week, so I'm really excited about installing those, so my 325 Cabrio E46 will get lower in the front and stiffer in the back. So yeah, oh, third gear. Fourth. Yeah, okay, a little bit of the wheel spin in fourth. Yeah, so I really hope that will help on the E46's performance, because it's getting stiffer, so it's better for, I will say track, but it's not an official track. It's just like a wet, yeah, not track, but skid pad, whatever you call it, I don't know. But anyways, I think that will be quite cool. I have been driving on that track before, so yeah, I am still considering to weld the diff, but I do not know, because it kind of ruins the quality of the car as well. But still, it's very good to drift with if it is welded. I never welded before, so it will be cool to experiment and just try. Okay, let's try fourth gear. Second, third, fourth. A little bit of wheel spin. Yeah, it's a beast. I hope you guys like this brief little video of me just driving around in the wet. Follow me on Instagram at FaderFilms, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I hope you like this video, because I had a good time. For, yeah, it's so easy. I mean, it's just go out, drive, it's wet, take the gas to the floor, and it's fun. So anyways, I hope you like this video, and I hope I will see you in the next video as well. So take care, and I will see you later. Goodbye.